Hello and welcome to the data generator demonstration. Data generator is an application that generates data based on predefined data types, static values, and external files. This application addresses needs for filling database data, creating test scenarios, generating random data. This application is also very useful to increase the data volume of a given database, for instance, HANA database. Data generator also offers the ability to create, save, and load models. In the model I already loaded, I can insert new columns, create a new column called marital status that I can fill with static values. I also have the ability to choose among the list of different data types, from numeric data, alphabetic data, text file, and other data types that I will illustrate afterwards. For this particular data type, I can set different options like nulls allowed, is unique, part of primary key, or numeric data type. I can also set the prefix, the suffix, and the number of occurrence I want to see, and of course, the maximum length. Most of these options will be used for all data types. I will now edit the country field. The country field is based on a text file when I can set the different file option and select the field number. I can also provide the maximum length, and in that case, I can set also an operator that my country is depending on another field, meaning that I will have the same value generating for this field, but maybe on a different row. Now I'm selecting the city field based on a different text file, and the city field is also depending on the country code, meaning that I will have a city from the same country. The salary field is numeric with a lower bound and an upper bound and a given format. The two country codes have been unselected because they are only used as foreign keys, and the employee field is a group of two fields, first name and last name, and only employee will be generated. Now I will load a new model and replace the existing one. The model is called sales, and I will enrich sales model by creating a new column. This column is named quantity and is numeric. I will now append a model by adding customer information in the sales model. I've just added three new fields, gender, marital status, and education level, that I can select and move in the model. Now I will generate the data for preview only and select 100 rows, then generate the data and preview the results. If I'm fine with the results, then I can decide to generate a final number of rows and to generate in a data file. I select the data file, provide information regarding the file option, the text qualifier, the field delimiter. It could be a text file, a CSV file, or an insert SQL statement. Once my data file has been generated, I will open it with SAP Visual Intelligence. I can now create the different measure for net amount, gross amount, and quantity. I can also create a geographic hierarchy by selecting the city and the country I've generated in the data file. I can now use the geographic hierarchy and a measure to display results in visual intelligence, and I can drill down in the geographic hierarchy.